welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Now today we're going to be making a Korean Bulgogi Beef steak sandwich. Now you're probably wondering what Bulgogi means. It is translated as fire meat. So make no mistake, this is going to be a hot and spicy sandwich. But I love this sandwich. It is really flavoursome, really stunning. Let's make it right now. So let's get started. We've got a beef sirloin steak, which we've marinated in some soy sauce, some mirin, some ginger, and some garlic. And get that straight into our pan. So we want to give this a really good sear, really bring through that barbecue flavour. And then just glaze our meat. So we've got a rye bread here. Add that into our pan, which has got our beautiful beef fat flavours, and get that really hot and crisp. So let's start to assemble. Here we have a gochujang mayonnaise. So we've taken some mayonnaise, some gochujang paste, and loads of lime juice to really try and cut through that heat. Some leaves. Next we're going to take our beef. Pink. Start to take our beef. And our kimchi. So this is where all that spice, as much as you want. This is quite a spicy kimchi. So only a small amount. Some spring onions. Top. Seal. Top of our sandwich. Here is our bulgogi beef steak sandwich. Done.